Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. I hope everybody's doing great today, our family and friends. We're going to do a wonderful, fun recipe. Today it is flank steak stuffed with vegetables, peppers, and cheese, cilantro. First, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put olive oil on here that's already got my spices in it, which is garlic, pepper, cumin, and a little bit of chili powder. And then I had some crushed dried tomatoes that I put in here also. So we're going to evenly put this on top. I hope you like this, and if you do, please subscribe. Push the like button, tell all of your family and friends. We hope you enjoy this. Of course, we lean towards spicy. This has got a little bit of chili powder and cumin, like I said. You just evenly put that on there like that. And for your vegetables, we like them kind of crunchy, but you want to slice them thin, as you can see. And I've got the green peppers, red peppers, and yellow peppers, and thinly sliced onion and chopped cilantro. You don't want to put too many on here, because then it's hard to roll up your flank steak. Flank steak works wonderful for this. As you can see, it's thinly sliced, about a 1/4 of an inch thick. Of course, I like cilantro, so I'm just going to put lots of that on there. Some red onions. They're wonderful. I love the red onions. And then I have crumbled up some Mexican cheese, and we're going to put a little bit of that on top. But you can use whatever kind of cheese you like. Monterey Jack works good. Gives a little more heat. There we go. Now the trick is to roll this up. That's why I said you don't want to get too many vegetables in here. This is when you need maybe somebody to help you. There you go, that didn't work out too bad. As you can always stuff the stuffing back in it. And then I used string here to tie it, and I went ahead and cut a few ahead of time. And when we put this in our Dutch oven today, our temperature, we want to get it to 350 to 375. We want it to kind of sear it and cook it for about an hour. Your vegetables will still be kind of crunchy. Like if you want your vegetables cooked a little bit more, you can always cook them ahead of time, saute them on the stove, and then stuff them in. Then after I put it in the Dutch oven, well, I put a little bit of canola oil in the bottom of it. In our well seasoned, which everybody knows that you've got to have your cast iron well seasoned. And then I'm going to take this roasted garlic oil and brush the tops of them. Well, not too much of my stuff fell out. That's good. Stuff those onions back in. We like this olive oil that they make down here in not too far from us. And this one is a roasted garlic. It is absolutely wonderful. You can just smell the garlic. So we'll pour a little bit of that on there. Take my pastry brush and brush it real well. Well, there you go. We're going to go out and get our briquettes all ready, and then we'll take it outside and start cooking. Thank you very much. We'll see you outside in a few minutes. What we've done is I've got 10 briquettes on the bottom, and now I'm going to put 10 on top. We want to do 350 to 375, and in about an hour we'll be checking it. All right, it's been about an hour and a half. Of course, it always takes a little bit longer, but as you can see, it's going to be beautiful. And what we noticed that you need to add more heat on top to brown the top of it. Wow, they look absolutely perfect. Great. Our flank steak finally got done. It took about an hour and a half. Of course, the elements, the wind was blowing and it was a little bit cool. but things got done and it looks absolutely excellent. What we're serving it with some of our Spanish wild rice tonight. You can serve it with a tossed salad or whatever you'd like. As I was saying, sometimes things take a little bit longer. Reminded my husband and I today of a few years ago up in the Bighorn Mountains. It was in August. Anyway, we were out Dutch oven cooking and we got snowed on. But we finally got our dinner done. It was dark and there was a lot of snow built up, but it does happen. We hope you enjoy this today with us. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Please tell all your families and friends to join us. We'll have a lot more fun recipes coming up. Just remember us. Here's a toast to our viewers. We hope you love everything that we've shown you today. Please enjoy. We'll see you next time. Good night.